Welcome to today's physics class. Remember I told you that we are going to start solving examples on equations of motion. Look at the question here. The question says a particle starts from rest and moves with uniform acceleration 1.2 meter per second square. What is its velocity after 20 seconds and how far has it moved in this time? Good. What you are required to do, they want you to calculate the final velocity, which is v, then and what the distance it has traveled. It's very easy. So your solution, so try and state the parameters, bring out the parameters. So you know that what is given to you, from the question, if a motion starts from rest or an object or particle moves from rest, that means if it begins from rest, means your initial velocity, which is u, is 0. Okay, so in this case now, the one that is given to us, we are giving acceleration here. So it means that a is equal to 1.2 meter per second squared. Okay, then the next one that is given to us here, we are giving time t equal to 20 seconds. All right. What we are expected to do, the first question is what is our final velocity? So how do you know the equation to use? You're going to think of the things that are given to you. So which one connects final velocity, initial velocity, acceleration, and time? So of course, it's our first equation. We have v equal to u plus at. Okay, this is our first equation. So it means our v, for us to get v now, we're going to have equal to, since the object or the particle starts from rest, it means the initial velocity is 0 plus, and our acceleration is given from here as 1.2. Then time t is in seconds, which is 20. All right. Now I want you to understand, whenever you are giving a question, you must look at the units. If the unit is not in the SI unit, you have to first of all change it, convert it to the SI unit. Okay. Now in this our question is very easy for us because the questions, the parameters are already in the SI unit. So now let's multiply this now. So your v automatically 2 times this, 10 times this becomes 12. Let's take 10 out of this 20 is times this one is 12. That times that to our answer is 24 meters per second. That's for this final velocity. That is the velocity after 20 seconds is 24 meters per seconds. Now let us go to the other one. Let's say the second one. We are asked to calculate distance. Now from this formula, how do you know? We have two equations that has to do with distance. 3 rather. We have 3 that has to do with distances. The other one, we have the one that has to do with s equal to v plus u all over 2 times t. No. So the distance that the object will move with this velocity, which is this final velocity, is this particular one, s equal to ut plus half at squared. All right. So at this point, it means that the object has moved through this distance, or the particle. The next thing now, or your s is now equal to, you know that your u is 0 times 20, which is our time t, then times 1 over 2 times what is our acceleration? 1.2 times what is 20? 20 times t is 20, which is squared. Okay. Now automatically this one is 0. So your s becomes equal to 0 plus. Now this here we have 1 over 2 times 1.2. 20 square is 400 times 400. Okay. Then let us solve without using calculator. If you want to use calculator, let's go. This one can cancel this one. Let's cancel this out. This is 200. All right. So your s becomes 1.2 times 200. So without using calculator, let's multiply this. Take 100 from inside this 200. Use to multiply this 1.2. So it will give us what? 100 and what? 20. So it becomes 120 times the remaining 2 that is here, 2, which is equal to what? So our S is equal to 240 meters. That is the distance the object, the particle, has traveled in time what? T, which is what? 20 seconds. If you find this physics class very interesting, please do not hesitate to share this video. Also do well to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Bye.